Update on the Christmas cactus that we bought last. I don't remember if it was early December or late November. I wanted a pink Christmas cactus, but so when we bought it, it had a lot of buds. The buds were pink or purple. And then we went on vacation for 2 weeks, and when we got back, some of the blooms were done, but I'm surprised that it's red. So I still don't have my pink Christmas cactus. It's this, I wanted this color, so it's a bit pink. But this is red. It turned out to be red, although it is pretty. And like my red one. But I think this is more red than the old one. And then our white one is done. So I took most of them out, the flowers. Just an update. Okay, so that's it. Also an update on my amaryllis. I don't know if this is growing, but I think it's still the same height or maybe bigger, don't remember. But I think there are three. I think this is a new one, and I'm not sure if it is another flower stalk, but it seems thick, so probably it is a flower stalk too. So 1, 2, and 3. And the one that bloomed before is done. So when we got back from vacation, the flowers were done, but there's another bud here, and I don't know if this one is also part of that flower. That's it. Okay, that's it for my update. Hello. It's first week of January, and it rained last night, so all the snow melted. And just want to show how the garden looks like at this time. So it snowed hard before I could even clean up. So this is what the garden looks like. I wasn't able to cut most of the plants. So here is the daisy, Montauk daisy. So I would need to cut it before spring or weather permitting, if it's not snowing. So here is our rose. I wasn't also able to prune it, so there's a bit of a growth there. So here, there, there. Wow. Anyway, oops, then there. And our, forgot this, the red flowers, the one with the dianthus. And this is our red knockout rose. So it has lots of buds. And the Shasta daisies. There, it has new growth underneath the old ones, which I have to cut. And then the lavender, another Shasta daisy. This is the hellebore. Lots of leaves covering So there's our Dusty Miller still surviving. So I wasn't able to cut the marigolds. Daming seeds yan. Scattering. And also the sedum. Didn't cut them. This is the foxglove. Kumapal na siya. And the lamb's ear. Lamb's ear. And this bush is the one with the yellow leaves turning yellow. I forgot the name. Hopefully it will produce yellow leaves this spring. Okay. So here on the side, the daylily and my heucheras buried under the leaves. And here, hellebores. There are two hellebores there. And pulmonaria. And our fern. Surviving, but they're all down. Plopped down. Sedum. Didn't cut also. And here are the irises. Sprouting. Here's another rose, which I need to prune. In spring na siguro. And here is the rhododendron. So, may mga buds siya. So, I cut all the peonies. Hopefully, they will come back the spring. And the lamb's ear, mushy. One of the roses. And our hydrangeas. I didn't cut them. And I forgot that one. Forgot the names. So, hydrangea. This is one of the roses that I planted, the one with the red flowers. And the moms I didn't cut to protect the crown or the roots from snow. And these are the other two roses that I planted. Knockout yan, I think. They're knockout roses. And another hydrangea. This is the big leaf hydrangea. So it has buds. Hopefully those buds survive. I'll clean them up in spring ulit. And the other rose. And this is my caramel heuchera. And the red heuchera. So heucheras. And there are lots of leaves. The lavender. So an animal attempted to eat my hydrangea. So then may cut. There's a cut there. You can see. And the flower is over here. So it has buds. And my heucheras. So, yan. And the boxwoods, barberry, So this is our new garden in front. Surviving the boxwoods. I forgot the name of this one. Was this eaten? Oh no. I hope it survives. The crown is exposed. So I didn't cut any of these, but the stems are cut, so I think something ate it, a deer probably. So the boxwoods, the rose, boxwoods, and this one is the what do you call that? The gumamela. Gumamela, I forgot the name. The rose, and the two, what do you call that? Cone flowers, which I planted. And this is the rose that I planted. That's a peach rose surviving. So another heuchera, sedum, and then heucheras there. This is hydrangea, newly planted hydrangea. All sticks. Hopefully it survives. There is a bud. And our juniper. It's brown. I hope it doesn't die. Remainder of the snow. We still have our Christmas decor, some. I will remove it at the end of this week. And then the pile of wood chips still here. Not able anymore to remove. Is Sophie bush. Lots of wood. And this I wasn't able to cut also. I need to prune that so it will not grow so tall. Also here, I need to cut this. Look, there's already new growth inside. So this one, everything. The rose I planted, surviving. The other two roses, surviving. So basically, that's it. The garden is a mess. Wasn't able to clean up, but that's alright. Can do it little by little. And spring comes, or even if snow is not so strong or severe, can still remove some of these leaves. Oh, here is one of my rose. Just remembered it. I hope it survives. Doesn't look dead. I hope it survives. Okay. That's it for now. In the outside garden. Also, I just wanted to show my hen and chicks, which I put inside the garage. So, ang dami na niya. Daming chicks. Pag nilabas ko when I transfer it to another pot, dadami na naman siya. And these are my sunflowers. So, hindi na siya syempre dumiretso. But, hey, my lesson learned. I will try to plant earlier this year. Okay. Yan, kapal ng snow. Tulungan kita mamaya. Ay, ngayon na.
Hindi na, mamaya na.
Ha?
Uwi.
Dami din kaya.
Hindi na, okay lang.
Naku, kailangan alisin yan pag mayroong dadaan sa ano.
Hingin mo na lang ito. Yung parang...
Oo, sige. Okay. O yan, smile ka na. Picture na kita, okay na?
Iiyak ako dito.
Ha?
Hindi ako i-smile, iiyak ako.
Okay. Ayan, video.
Nag-i-snow pa rin.
Oo, ayan o. Hanggang mamayang gabi pa yata. Papala ulit. Bigipala ako.